Once you saw Luke on the ground, did you ever think to maybe like stop and see if he's okay, or maybe like get up and block traffic so nobody like landed on him? Did you ever think to maybe do that?
Do you remember? Do you remember?
That was an awesome fall.
85 novice lining up on the gate. It's kind of weird as a parent having two kids in the same class. It's like, I don't know who to root for. I guess I just want them both to do good, but it seems like one does good and the other one does bad. They never both do good, so it makes it weird as a parent because you're happy for one and bummed for another one at the same time. But hopefully that's not the case today. Hopefully Luke and Lillian both do good.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Great start for Luke on that one. Very close to a hole shot. Very close. Good job, Luke. Oh, Lil's way in the back. What happened?
on the first lap, you know, before the bull turn. Yeah. And I hit him. And I fell, and then I went past like 4 or 5 people. How'd you do?
I almost got the whole shot.
Dad, I think I know why my kill switch doesn't work.
Yeah, we'll have to get a new kill switch. Good job, Luke. Clean that up a bit. That was almost a whole shot.
Yeah.
That was super close. Good job. Lil, did you fall?
I got taken out, actually.
Oh, so you did fall. Lillian, what is it with you and Honda riders? You love colliding with Honda riders.
Oh, they love falling in front of me.
Hey, Honda riders, watch out for Lillian next time.
What?
You were letting them pass you.
It was hard, dude. I couldn't see.
Hey, another thing, Lil. There's a difference between someone taking you out, like a takeout move, and someone falls in front of you.
Well, they did take me out because they fell in front of me.
Yeah, but there's a difference. They didn't do it on purpose. Hey, guess what, Erica? Guess what kind of bike it was?
A Honda.
It was a Honda CRF 150. I want to see you race with nothing but a bunch of Honda 150s. Only 4 spots behind Luke. Good job, Lil. Check this out, guys. Looks just like corduroy pants. Hey, Luke, did you see that 91 kid in your class?
Yeah.
He was so sketchy. You guys see that kid, 91? He was so sketchy. Like, he almost crashed the whole race. The whole race he was almost crashing.
He's really fast.
He's fast, but he can't. He's so sketchy. Oh, you guys are lining up next to each other? How sweet.
My goal is 7.
Your goal is 7th? You got 6 last time.
Yeah, but if I like
Your
crash-
goal is to do worse than you did last time. Last moto of the day, Luke and Lillian on the gate for the 85 novice. Let's see if we can get them to battle with each other. Come on, clean start, guys. I lost Luke, I didn't see where he was. Looks like both the kids are about this high. Lily sneaked in the inside for a pass.
What's going on?
Oh, I landed on Lillian's bike.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, just breathe.
I was trying to pass her.
Okay, it's okay.
Hi, bud.
Hi.
What's bugging you? Okay. Grab my fingers hard. Put your arms straight out like an airplane.
Do you have any pain in your hip at all when I'm pushing it? Do you feel like you want to sit up? Take the helmet off. You have no neck pain, right?
No.
Okay, good.
I don't know.
All right, what just happened? I didn't see what happened. I was helping this kid with a banner stuck in his wheel, so I don't know how it finished.
Oh, I see that.
You good, man?
Spikes right here.
Oh yeah, thanks. Did you see it? You don't have it?
I didn't see it. I ran over to help him try and
Him and
saw it.
Lillian, I saw Lillian go down and I didn't realize it was
I think he
Luke.
landed on her bike.
Yeah, they were trying to pass each other.
Okay.
Good job, bud.
Be okay. He's up and moving now. Apparently for a minute he wasn't moving.
Yeah. Dude, Luke, I'm so sorry. I hit this kid and then flew off my bike. I feel bad. I hit this kid and flew off my bike, and then I see Luke come over.
What happened?
So I came and hit some kid and fell off my bike. And then as I was getting up to go pick up my bike, Luke came and clipped like my wheel was.
Oh, I was right on you.
Well, I didn't see what happened. I guess Luke landed on Lillian's bike or something, and the GoPro hit him in the chin. It came off and hit him in the face.
You were like over it. I didn't see your bike, and while I was going up, dude, my this hurts. I like humped the handlebar.
You want to ride back?
What?
Take it off.
Put your helmet on.
I'm so sorry. It was a kid in front of me, so I wasn't flying. I'm like, oh no.
Well, guys, no trophies for our family today, but we did get some great race footage, so I'm happy. I think today was a win. Hey, Luke, did you notice that the medic was the same medic that helped you last year?
Really?
Yeah, remember when you got the wind knocked out of you last time? Same guy. How you doing, though? Chin okay?
Hurting a little bit.
Little sore?
Yeah.
I'm glad you're all right. Hey, Lil, I got a question for you. So after you took out your brother, and once you saw Luke on the ground, did you ever think to maybe like stop and see if he's okay, or maybe like get up and block traffic so nobody like landed on him? Did you ever think to maybe do that?
Well, no, because my thought was, oh, get on your bike. Like,
Because it's a race.
yeah. I roosted him too.
You roosted him.
I didn't mean to.
Your brother's on the ground in pain with a questionable possible injury, and then you roost him.
I didn't mean to.
Doesn't matter. You still did it. Luke goes 6:19 for a 13th overall. Lillian with the better ride today goes 10:9 for 10th. All right, guys, real quick, we want to give a big thank you to Braden and Dawson over here. So earlier when we first got here, Luke's chain, the little clip came off. Lighting's really bad. Let's stand over this way. The clip came off. That's even worse. The clip came off on his master link. So I've been walking around all the way, talking to people, trying to find one. And then Braden was like, hey, I bet my dad has one. He has everything. So he was able to grab a new master link that fit for Luke. And if it wasn't for you, Luke would not have been able to crash in the last moto and get really hurt. So thank you very much. Appreciate you guys. And we'll see you around, right?